Ever received an email or text message that made your heart skip a beat, claiming to be from your bank and demanding immediate action? You're not alone. In today's digital age, where convenience reigns supreme, so too does the sophistication of online scams. And unfortunately, financial institutions like Ally Bank are not immune to these malicious attempts. Think about it. Your bank holds your hard-earned money, your sensitive personal information, the keys to your financial kingdom. So, when a message pops up unexpectedly, urging you to click a link, verify your details, or face dire consequences, it's natural to feel a surge of anxiety. Scammers prey on this very fear, hoping to exploit your concern and trick you into divulging confidential data or transferring funds. But here's the good news. With a little awareness and a healthy dose of skepticism, you can become a digital detective, spotting these fraudulent attempts before they can cause harm. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Ally Bank email and text scam alerts. We'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to discern genuine communications from cunning imitations, empowering you to protect your financial well-being. Before we delve into the specifics of Ally Bank scams, let's establish a foundational understanding of how these scams typically operate. Phishing, as it's commonly known, is a deceptive tactic where criminals impersonate legitimate organizations, in this case, Ally Bank, to trick you into revealing sensitive information such as passwords, account numbers, social security numbers, or even credit card details. These fraudulent messages often employ a sense of urgency or alarm. They might claim your account has been compromised, that there's been suspicious activity, or that you need to take immediate action to prevent your account from being locked. This pressure is a key red flag. Legitimate financial institutions rarely, if ever, demand immediate action through unsolicited emails or text messages. Another common tactic involves enticing you with seemingly attractive offers or warnings. You might receive a message claiming you've won a prize, are eligible for a special loan, or that there's an urgent security update you need to install. These are designed to lure you into clicking malicious links or downloading harmful attachments. Now, let's focus specifically on scams impersonating Ally Bank. While the tactics evolve, there are some telltale signs to watch out for in both email and text communications. Email red flags. One of the most crucial aspects to scrutinize is the sender's email address. Scammers often use email addresses that closely resemble Ally Bank's official domain but contain subtle variations, misspellings, or added characters. For example, instead of @ally.com, you might see @allybank.net, at https://www.google.com/search. Q equals allysecure.com, or a string of random characters that looks suspicious. Always hover your mouse over the sender's name, without clicking, to reveal the actual email address. If it doesn't look exactly like a legitimate Ally Bank address, proceed with extreme caution. Another red flag is the lack of personalization or the use of generic greetings like "Dear Customer" or "Account Holder." Legitimate communications from Ally Bank will typically address you by your full name. While automated messages might use a more general greeting, be wary of unsolicited emails that don't include your specific name. Pay close attention to the language and grammar used in the email. Scam emails often contain typos, grammatical errors, and awkward phrasing. Legitimate financial institutions have professional communication teams that ensure their messages are clear, concise, and error-free. If an email from Ally Bank is riddled with mistakes, it's a strong indication that it's fraudulent. Be extremely cautious of any email that urges you to click on a link and enter your login credentials or other sensitive information. Ally Bank will never ask you to provide your password, social security number, or full account numbers via email. If you receive such a request, it's almost certainly a scam. Similarly, be wary of emails containing attachments, especially if you weren't expecting them. Malicious attachments can contain viruses or malware that can compromise your device and steal your information. Never download or open attachments from suspicious emails. Look for inconsistencies in the email's formatting and design. Scam emails might use outdated logos, blurry images, or inconsistent fonts. Legitimate communications from Ally Bank will have a professional and consistent look. Text message red flags, smishing. Just like email scams, text message scams, often referred to as smishing, employ similar tactics. Be wary of unsolicited text messages claiming to be from Ally Bank. Scammers often use shortened URLs in text messages to mask the actual destination of the link. Never click on suspicious links in text messages from unknown numbers or even from numbers that claim to be Ally Bank. Instead, if you need to access your account, open the official Ally Bank mobile app or type the official website address directly into your browser. Similar to scam emails, text messages might create a sense of urgency, claiming your account has been locked, there's been fraudulent activity, or you need to verify your information immediately. Don't fall for these pressure tactics. Ally Bank will not typically send urgent requests for sensitive information via text message. Be suspicious of text messages that ask you to call a specific phone number to resolve an issue. Scammers often use fake phone numbers that connect you to individuals posing as Ally Bank representatives who will try to extract your personal information. If you need to contact Ally Bank, always use the official phone number listed on their website or in your account statements. Just like emails, text messages might contain grammatical errors or awkward phrasing. Legitimate communications from Ally Bank will be professionally written. What to do if you suspect a scam? If you receive a suspicious email or text message claiming to be from Ally Bank, the most important thing is not to panic and not to take immediate action. Do not click on any links or open any attachments. This could lead you to a fake login page designed to steal your credentials or install malware on your device. Do not reply to the email or text message. This will only confirm to the scammers that your number or email address is active, potentially leading to more scam attempts. Independently verify the communication. If you're concerned about the status of your account, contact Ally Bank directly through their official website or phone number. You can find this information on their official website, ally.com, or on your account statements. Do not use any contact information provided in the suspicious email or text message. Forward suspicious emails to Ally Bank's dedicated anti-phishing email address, abuse@ally.com. This helps them track and address ongoing scam campaigns. Delete the suspicious email or text message from your device. Consider reporting the scam to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, at reportfraud.ftc.gov. This helps law enforcement agencies track and combat online fraud. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.